Hadian beladeko palat gejing terekam ketenat penmi boarding hakene kejela Meghalaya. Kasengsan pertai ke United Democratic Party lengbau General Secretary keladawano Menteri Rangbak kejela ban IT no sya weipat menteri ban kemi ketenat kikam boarding. Halor kene kesithi balapha de ke UDP na kaliang ka National People's Party Youth Wing kalakan tho jor bat kene kejing tho kam dai pat ikaseng UDP. Henry lakan tho iu basoi kene kesithi kata yau General Secretary.
Kaseng San Partai National People's Party Youth Wing hapo kecing alam jong Presiden Usamla Nikin Nongklau hak arpaulai tarik mentah ubenai leber hajar arpawai hak kecing kendu bat kenong patai kubor kalakan to anjur yau General Secretary ka United Democratic Party ubat Jeminu Mauto halo kasithi baula IT syok Menteri Rangbak kejela ukonrat kongkal sangma hakaba kaseng UDP kala dawana u ban shimno ekatnat kikam boarding electric na u James Speaker sangma bat ban IT sya uwei pat menteri ban kemi yakan katanat namar ka jingtko jongkan katanat ban sam boarding electric hakajala kumbalaja hakitayo balalen balahap ban penlip boarding dabun bun kenta hakasisngi kaseng NPP Youth Wing hakane kasngi kalakenno bauba Jeminu Mauto ula shim kabu hakum kane kapor ban mentoy lade hakakam sanhima sima.
Mr. Mauto felt that he should start fishing in troubled waters because the 2023 elections are coming up. Hence, he should hard try once again and become relevant in the eyes of the people of Nong Thmai, whom he misleaded during his tenure as a legislator. It is our kind suggestion to Mr. Mauto to stop being hypocrite and avoid sounding like a mouthpiece of a dying party like Congress. Power cuts and load shedding during the previous government have been worse, but not for once did he blow his trumpet of resignation then. Even now, when issues surface concerning health, education, social welfare, connectivity, law and order, he keeps silent. It makes us think if he is selective in his approach or he is just aware of what's happening in the state, part of the reason why his own constituency have lost respect for him. However, talking too much about Mr. Mauto gives him more importance than what he deserves. Perhaps he must learn a little from the legislator of his own party, who have supported the government in its endeavours. They have remained close partners of NPP-led government in solving issues and being answerable to the people. With such mature leadership shown from them in times of crisis, it is sometimes a head-scratcher to figure out how Mr. Mauto fits in such a party. In the democratic system, the government and its institutions serve the people, and the opposition keeps a check. Where does Mr. Mauto fit in this equation? Where will he ever fit in this equation? This will always remain a mystery. Perhaps he can tell us. Having cleared the air on Mr. Mauto, there's no doubt that the NPP-led government is committed to improving the power scenario in the state after numerous measures have been brought in by the Power Minister to improve the MECL. We do not think any criticism is warranted, not at least by opposition Congress members who simply sat through the years in the governance and watched the slow degradation of the organisation. Reply kasi. Kani nga iba pi ngimi kajingkran kata kajingkran kanwan nakaling presiden. Yung ko UDP ru kamdan kay kamdan kata kajingkran. Kani sudah sendat ke siti ka bami nakaling ju iba mau tho sa chief minister. Hapa kum kani ke isu. Kalau ke isu bakiru kidon bentalang ka sarkar. Mendai bikin dan bentah sarkar. Kum kani ke isu kila di benra ka hapo antai hapo hamid kan joka komiti joka MDA komiti bikin ya keren sepang kani Henry bin supen pau pat bak ni bin that pat bak ni kami so ya hak haba bon ke isu pat blame keren sepang kita beli keren tang kani ko ke isu beli target take tang kani ko specific department kidon ke isu ki relate what ya ka benong mai kum inu kai manakani ka jing ki ka tu kai keren sepang tu boleh specifically tanya kan ni isu kata dia jingkeli bangiru ko anbu kan Pak Mauto